Look at that wee ding dong. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Team's getting bigger, eh? Getting bigger. This wee felly. Come on, you. Come on, you. You go back that way. Come on then. Go back up. Go on. Go back up. That's the game. See that? They're ready to take off. They've not been up yet. This is what they do. Come on, see? There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Look at him when he's up on the roof. Come on in, come on. I know what you're doing, you're not going in there. You need to learn, go on, you need to learn, go on, you need to learn. You need to learn. Look at that young cock there, he's got a wee stamp on him. See him, that wee smoky blue there, see him? He's got a cracking wee stamp on him, see that? Come on, come on. It thinks it can go in there, but it's not. Come on, move. Come on. No, no. Wait, look at it. Look at it. Come on, move. Ho, 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 ho. Come on, come on, look, see, they want to go, that's what's wrong with them, they want to go. So, come on, come on. Yeah, my team's getting bigger, eh? I think my first young bird race is the 24th of July. So, each fellas every day, every morning. Once they start taking up to the skies, that'll be it, and they start batching. When I come doing, that's it. I'll start letting them out round about the crack of dawn. Come on, come on, come on, come on. See, he's trying it again. He's trying it again. You're not going in there. You're not going in there. Move. Go on. You're not going in there. Go on. Go back. That's the game. Go back. I see. Okay, what's wrong with them? They're hungry. Because yesterday, I fed them yesterday morning, but I only gave them seed. And honestly, when I let them out in the afternoon, back at 2, yeah, but they wouldn't come in. I'm like, guess what? You'll not be getting fed again. Come on, come on, come on. I know they're hungry. Come on then, come on then, come on then, come on. A lot of them should be up by now, they really should. Yeah, I know you should all be up in the skies. So you can tell some of them are getting their wee white wattles now, you see that, getting a bit of age about them. Honestly, some of them are about 10 weeks old, 11 weeks old, and they've not even been up for a fly yet, just burrowing round about the loft. I'm not really bothered now if they get a wee friend to go up. Because they've had a couple of frights, they've had a hawk attack, you know, they've had crows, magpies. Come on. Come on then, come on. Come on. So it's, what time is it? There you go, 10 to 4. Oh, see, there's that wee felly back again. Come on. No, where are you going? See what I mean? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's the game. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's it. That's it. That way. That way. Oh, come here. Okay, what's wrong? I left it in that middle hut yesterday and now it thinks it can go back in. Fuck. It's not getting back in, it's going to have to learn. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Thank you. Get up. Come on. Up you go. Come on. No, no. No, no. Move. No, no. No, move. You're going to have to learn. Come on, hey you. Look at that. Stupid wee beggar. Come on. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on. And you cannot bear it if that cat gets you. Come on in, come on. Come on in, come on. Come on, you move, move. No, you're not going back in there. Move it, you're not going back in here either. That's it, get up there. Honestly, half daft. Come on in, come on. Oh, it's freezing today, it really is. All my dues for the Dunbar toss here, they've all come home. Come on, come on. Keep mine that wee in. See, I know, they're ready to go up, I know they are. Wee checkered pie there. Oh, ooh, that's just a youngin, you can see that, eh? He's practically still a baby, see him? Good, come on in. Come on in. Come on. Oh, 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 oh. Come on. Yeah, see? And that's all they've been doing. That's all they've been doing. Just kicking about, just kicking about. Right, so I'm going to let these guys just do what they want to do. Come on in, come on in. And I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Cheery, cheery.